Alright, so I'm going to go over number 5 now. So the graph below shows the repayment plans for two different car loans. How many months will it take for the car loans to be equal? Okay, so if you look at the graph and look at our answer choices, right? Let's look at the last one. The balances will never be equal. Well, basically that's saying that there's never going to be a solution. But if you look at it, these lines aren't parallel. So D is wrong, right? They are going to be at some point equal. There will be a solution. Then they say 12 months. Well, this is 12 months and they're not equal there. So that one's wrong. Then they say 18 months. Well, if you look at 18, they're also not equal, right? So the only answer left would be C, 25 months, which is probably 20 over here somewhere. So if they keep going, it's going to be something like that. All right, so that's the answer for number 5.